Oh, oh, oh. This guy's gonna get stopped here. All right. So, huge no-no when a school bus has its stop sign out, you stop. That's one of my biggest pet peeves, because little kiddos are getting off the school bus, and that stop sign's there for a reason. Joe Kills just talking to him a little bit more. We're gonna see if his information checks out.
Your incident has been updated. New message. New message.
It's up. If you just go up a little bit. Yeah.
Metro.
113.
Turning shift after.
Afternoon, 1454.
We'll deal with it. Bye.
$63.01.
6301.
Duty, my post is 18679, replacing 6201, who's made it to EOT.
Copy.
Metro.
630. Afternoon, 1456.
$40 for Clearport.
Copy.
Your incident has been updated.
It's a felony?
2266 Tango.
Call my girlfriend and get the car, man. Tell me else.
Tango.
This is Medic 1045 Tomlin Avenue in
My
Shoreview at Menza Special Services on a 58-year-old having a seizure.
616, copy.
314.
Yeah.
Afternoon, 1457.
2759.
2759.
4751. Where you got one in custody, code 4.
Your incident
Copy.
has been
1456.
Can somebody...
We will. We'll talk to you, man. Have a seat.
HG that you need from inside.
Last one.
Good Bravo
Whose
351.
vehicle
I'm
is
looking
it?
for the other
It's in my girlfriend's
right
name
there
right
coming
now.
to
I just
storage
brought the
today.
vehicle. I haven't
it's
transferred the
behind it.
title name, so it's still in the guy's name, man. I live right there on Rainy, bro. I'm just trying to get some
I understand
cigarettes.
that, but you're canceled lips.
I haven't done anything, bro.
You
5281.
ran a stop sign.
I
at a
didn't
school
run
bus?
the stop
Yes, you did.
sign.
Stop.
5281.
Stop. Okay. So
That's
ran
the
that,
model
and your
2618
license is
Charlotte
canceled
Street
lips.
North phone call request.
And that's what I'm
Vehicle
working
broken
on right
Sunday.
now. That's what I'm saying, sir. I need to have the car to get my license
I
back.
understand that, but you cannot be driving around with that status of your license, right?
I'm not doing anything, sir.
The keys in the car? No, you're fine now, man, but we have to take you. We are taking you on this. You have a canceled lips license, man. That's nothing you
Bro,
play around
I'm a
with.
damn near go to prison for
You're
this
not
shit.
going to it's a gross misdemeanor.
Yes, I'm on parole. I'm on probation.
I understand that.
This
but-
is gonna fuck me totally, man.
And unfortunately, you'll have to deal with that. But I should need you to put your feet in. Today, you got to deal with that. You chose
So-
to drive. All right?
He,
I just
okay.
focus on myself.
We're going to work with you. So we have to first verify whose car it is, okay? So once you put your feet in, I can deal with that. Good? All right.
True.
558.
Time for shift.
Afternoon, 1459.
All right. Sorry for being muted so long. He obviously didn't want you to hear everything he was saying. Kind of recap, as you guys saw, he went past the school bus that had a stop sign out. Big no-no. Like I said, it's a big pet peeve for myself. I know Joe Kill as well. That's definitely one every day we're going to stop.
We both have kids, and you have to pay attention to those school bus arms.
In addition, he had some issues with his license, which is why we unfortunately had to detain him today. He will be going and getting booked for that. It's called cancel IPS, inimical to public safety. It's a gross misdemeanor. We explained it to him. He was, a little upset at first, confused why we stopped him. We explained everything, went into some detail. I think he gets it now. We're not, unaware of the issues of how hard it is to get your license back. I know you have to go through some hoops, but when your license is that status, you gotta take care of business before getting on the road. So
Yeah, can't be driving.
Rule 6 a copy.
So he got transferred off to one of our partners, and they'll take care of that end. We appreciate it, as always.
Sorry, go again.
Try to get a car info occasionally.
Copy.
Yeah, so we got partners sitting on the tow, and one took custody of him. So, a nice guy. I mean, like he said, he's explaining some hardships he's going through dealing with his license. It's not always cheap to get it back, but It's not an excuse to be out driving, especially unfortunately when you're not following traffic laws. So hopefully he can get it together, get his license back, and go from there.
Yeah. And we educated him on the school bus arms.
For any description of the gun, handgun, long gun.
204, you're on channel 3.
Thank you.
We'll get our